Local SEO is different from regular SEO for two main reasons. It works faster and it targets only local consumers. So what can you do to leverage this fast SEO strategy for your business? But more importantly, what goals can you actually achieve, and is it a good fit for you? If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners, entrepreneurs, and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. We do this by providing information on how to use online marketing fully automated to attract your ideal clients. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. Local SEO gives you walk-in traffic. Local SEO gives you walk-in traffic by focusing on your visibility in search engines with regards to local traffic. For example, being visible on Google for Business and Google Maps is an obvious step that will tell Google who you are. Once you work on your on-site SEO to rank it, Google will serve you to the people in your area, and the results is immediate walk-in traffic. This comes from appearing in search engine results for people who are in the vicinity of your business, shop, or office. Be sure to watch the end of this video to get all these great tips which will help you get the success you are after. Search engine visibility. As we touched on in the previous point, you will also rank in search engines more easily as you are now officially registered and your address has been confirmed by Google. Your credibility has now improved. This will also influence your ranking for general SEO. Local SEO is a good foundation for your national and international SEO. Often we hear, I don't need SEO, I want to export only. But in order to get a good position on the national and international results in search engines, you need good local optimization first. This becomes an asset. You will need to do more than that, but it's the best place to start. Immediate sales. Local SEO can help you collect what we call low-hanging fruit in your business. There are probably people in your area who already trust you but do not buy from you because they don't know what you sell. This is usually made up of friends, family, and their wider circle of contacts. So imagine you were suddenly really visible for the queries of what you sell in your area. People will be able to connect you to what you sell, and buying from you would be a fast decision because these people already know you. So working on becoming visible in your area should always be the first thing you do. It will help you get lower hanging business from people who already know you, and it will also help you rank better later when you set your goals to rank in other countries and internationally. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at Local SEO How to Win. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of weekly videos, please subscribe. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.